Hi Momenters, thanks for watching another Moments by Booth video. If you're new to the channel, I'm Akeem Booth, real estate YouTuber and realtor, and today we're heading into Kingston, more specifically Kingston 19 Happy Grove, to check out a 2-bed 2-bath that's available for rent, going for an asking price of 180,000 Jamaican dollars per month. But enough of the chattings, I'm not ready for the video. Are you ready? Run me intro. So let me show you the place from the outside. Of course, control entry. I can stop the gate if I want to, or I can continue it opening. All right. So this is the property, and it's a 2-bed 2-bath apartment, and it is a small gated complex with just 4 units. Each unit gets 2 parking spaces, and then there's an additional parking space for if you have visitors or guests over. And if you listen, it's such a quiet, peaceful, serene neighborhood. The landscaping is nice. Everything about this space just speaks to tranquility and peacefulness. There is a gazebo area or entertainment space around this side, which is nice. And you get all that land space to do whatever you want to do with as a tenant here. So let's go on the inside. Let's control entry, of course. Just like that. Open this. And let's head on upstairs. So of course, we take our shoes off before we go into people's places. Close the door behind us. So as you step in, you're greeted by a very open concept kitchen, living, and dining space. We're greeted by the kitchen first. And just as I mentioned in the intro, this particular apartment that is being rented for $180,000 per month is unfurnished. All right. So you have the stove and microwave here, space for your hand towel. You can get a feel of the layout of how you would have this space. An area large enough for a big double door refrigerator, upper cabinetry, lower cabinetry. Additional space right there. You have an island right here, a nice pendulum light, very nice, and of course nice bright white lights in the kitchen. And moving into the living room space, you have an area here that you can put, I would say this looks like a 32-inch, so I'm figuring at least a 60-inch can hold on this wall, if not bigger. Right? A L-shaped sofa fits perfectly here. This is the view from the living room. You can look out and see what's going on. You have an air conditioning unit there at 36,000. You also have a fan, recessed lighting, a rocking chair right here, a balcony off the living with your laundry, in-unit laundry area right there. The dining area is here. So this is the in-unit laundry. Right? Show you what going on. Wash tub. You know the vibes. Dining table is neatly tucked right here. Let me give you the reverse angle so you can see the space. All right. Step on the outside here. See this. You see? Your gazebo is to the right, all that open land space right there to the left. You can have fun with it. Pets are also permitted here, so if you have your cute little doggy or your nice little cat, then you won't have an issue having them at this particular apartment complex. This is additional storage, and what the property owners did with this space as you walk in, they made it into like a little shoe stand area, and you know, you can rest some trophies and stuff. So we're looking at the 2 bedrooms right now, the primary to the left, the secondary to the right. But let's step into this bathroom right now. Let's turn off that ventilation. So you get a single bowl sink. Nice. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. And comment down below and let me know what you think of the interior design of this space as is, and let me know how you would make it into your own. Because of course, as I mentioned, it is being rented unfurnished. Alright. Shower head, raindrop shower head, shower tub combo, shower cubby. Alright. Towel rack right there, towel rack right there, toilet paper is there, toilet is there. That's what the lighting fixture looks like. And let's step into the secondary bedroom. And if I never mentioned it before, this particular apartment is 1160 square feet, which is a large apartment. Right, very large 2 bedroom. The bedroom itself, that's a queen size bed right there. That's a crib right there. You have toys right here. You have things in the corner there, and it still feels spacious. And if we look from this window, we get a view of downtown Kingston. But from the master or the primary, we get an even better view. So I'm just give it a reverse angle so you can see what's up. Okay. So obviously, you know, this is a baby's room, but it's a huge baby's room, right? We have storage space inside here. Of course, you can see the owners have stored their suitcases, toys for the baby, so on and so forth. All right. Let's get our final look inside this bedroom, and then we move into the primary. As you can see, again, recessed lights, has a fan, does come with a facility for air conditioning, but when you're up in the hills, it's very cool. The fan will cool you down, and at 36,000 in this 1,160 square feet apartment can definitely cool the entire internal space if you close all the exterior doors and sliding doors and windows. All right, so this is the primary bedroom. You have a king size bed that's there, right? Very nice. It can fit 2 bedside tables, the king size bed, and a dresser. There's also an office space right here, in-home office space, and some additional space over here. Well, it is housing a printer right now, but you can see the setup. You can envision how you can make this your own. So if we're looking through here, you probably won't be able to see it, but I can see the Kingston wharves from here. I'm seeing the gantry cranes and the ships that are docked, that containers are being offloaded from. So this is almost the same vantage point, right? But this is the balcony of the primary. So you get a balcony in the living room, you get a balcony in the primary bedroom. All right. Let me show you guys the bathroom, shower cubby, raindrop shower head again, but of course, this is not a shower tub combo. This is a glass enclosure. Window for ventilation. You get the his and hers sink. Your toilet is right here. Toilet paper is right there. Towel rack is right here. You get a robe hanger right there. And then we're gonna move into a woman's favorite part of the house, the closet. So you get a walk-in closet again, just like in the second bedroom. But this one has a bit more space up top, right? As you can see, there's a lot of clothes in there and they fit quite neatly. All right. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this particular 2-bed, 2-bath apartment located in Happy Grove, Kingston 19, which is after you pass Belvedere, going towards Red Hillside, past Belvedere and coming up. It's about 15 minutes from the heart of Kingston, or from the foot of Red Hills, it's 10 minutes or less. From the heart of Kingston, it's like 15 minutes. So you have an idea of how long it would take you to get from here to work in the mornings. All right, but comment down below, let me know what you think of the space, and also if you're interested in renting this property for $180,000 per month, or if you're coming with a figure that's negotiable, reach out to me at 819-9918, or you can get me on my email at akeem@sotheby'srealty.com.jm. I thank you guys as always for watching. Don't forget that the goal is to live life on your own terms. AB signing out.